Lights out, shades and you know the vibes. Doorman, blue cheese and we inside. Real low, yeah, we sipping like the riptide. Pink pills, drop through the trap door. Back room, red ropes is a little more. Cheap thrills, but got what you're looking for. You ain't seen nothing like this before. You ain't seen nothing like this before. You ain't seen nothing like this before. Come get real close, let me show you something.
Fly like a hornet, but I'm who they wanna be. 24 carats in my teeth, say cheese. Jewelry in my smile, I'm like a shining Mona Lisa. Wait a minute, big money, I ain't playing with it. Boy, your eyes got some hating in it. I ain't gonna lie, I've been feeling super fly. And you might have seen a lot, but you
ain't seen nothing like this before. You ain't seen nothing like this before. You ain't seen nothing like this before. Come get real close.
All the happiness and success in the world. I love you so much, baby girl.
Searching for this moment, one that I can call my own. I've been searching for this moment, running free, I'll find my home.
Happy 18th birthday, Iris. Dalangin ko ay lagi. Saan ka ni Lord? Palagi ka mag-iingat, anak. Sana makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral mo at matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap. Dito lang si Mama, Daddy, lagi nakasuporta sa lahat ng mga gusto mo. Happy birthday, anak.
This time I know I'll find my way. Countless trails that I have taken. Find myself.
Happy birthday, Irish!
Happy birthday po, ate. Thank you po sa pag-aasikaso mo po sa akin sa school.
Happy birthday, Irish!
Ngayong araw na to ay isa ka ng ganap na dalaga. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo, kahit may boyfriend ka na ngayon, dapat alam mo na yung tama't mali. At sana makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral mo. Kasi yun lang ang may papamana namin sa'yo balang araw.
So, ngayon na 18 na ako, ang goals ko lang at gusto ko matupad ay makatapos ko ng pag-aaral at syempre, maging proud yung parents ko sa akin and maging flight attendant someday. Yun lang.